What is up, y'all? It's me, Gabriel Ransom, and today I'm going to show y'all how to do a donut. So there are several different ways you can do a donut. One of the main things you want to do first is decide which direction you want to go. If you want to go clockwise or counterclockwise. I personally like going counterclockwise, which is to the left, and some people like going clockwise or to the right. So think about that first on which way you want to go. And the next step is there are two different ways you can do this. You can just put the bike like that with your foot down and then just give it gas and let the bike go around you. Or you can make a tiny circle, kind of like I've been doing here, and just keep going around and around and around and around. So I'll show an example of both, and once again, it's just personal preference. So here's the one like this. You want to be in first or second gear. So yeah, like that, and then there's this way. Which I find a lot easier. But it's all personal preference. Also, another thing, you want to make sure that the ground is very soft. So do this maybe after a rainstorm, or after it rains, or if you can find some very, very soft ground or dirt. It helps a lot. So thank you very much for watching. Please like, please subscribe, comment below if this helped you, and goodbye.